Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with another video. As you guys can see in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the most interesting video that I've done yet so far. So in today's video, as you guys can see from the title, it's gonna be about how much money I've made so far off of YouTube. Before I start this video, I just want to mention to you guys that I finally came up with a schedule for me so that you guys know when I will be posting a video every week. So my schedule my schedule is like this now. So I will be uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays, Friday, and Sundays. So Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Yeah, Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I'll be uploading 4 times a week. So yeah, those are the 4 days that I will be uploading, and those are the 4 days that you guys should be expecting a video from me. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into it, shall we? Now, I only have gotten paid 1 time, okay? Anyways, so I'm just gonna go into like, details of how the whole, YouTube pay works. So, all right, so in the beginning, I started YouTube. I started my channel like about maybe 4 years ago, I believe. I think I started in 2016. Yeah, I started my channel like 2016 or 2015, one of them. I uploaded my first ever video, I believe it was 2016. With that being said, at that time, all my videos were already monetized. Like whatever video I would upload, it would automatically be monetized. But then, since I wasn't like a consistent uploader like that, so eventually about, I think it was like last year or sometime this year, is when YouTube came up with the whole, new ways to get paid. The monetization changed. So pretty much it was, in order for you to monetize a video, in order for you to monetize your videos, pretty much monetization is how you get paid through YouTube. So your video runs ads, and in those ads, that's how you get paid. So pretty much what you gotta do is you gotta set up your Google AdSense account. That's the first thing I ever did, actually, as soon as I started my YouTube channel. Thank God my brother at that time already knew about, the YouTube algorithms and stuff like that. So, he's the one who ended up telling me about Google AdSense and all this stuff. So I signed up with my account, logged in, username and password, set up my my tax information, as well as my bank account information as well. Now after that, after you set all that stuff up, everything works like pretty quick, except the part where you enter your mailing address. So after you enter your mailing address, Google AdSense sends you a envelope, and in that envelope contains a code, and in that code, that code is the one that you enter into your Google AdSense account to pretty much confirm your address. So that usually takes like a really long time. I don't remember how long it took me. Maybe I waited a couple of weeks or a month or something like that. So anyways, then after that, then after you set all that stuff up, so now the new YouTube monetization rules is you gotta have 1,000 subscribers in order for you to monetize a video. Your videos, as well as 4,000 watch hours. So that means you gotta have not either or, you gotta have both of them at the same time, and then YouTube is gonna review your account, and then after that is when you can monetize a video if your account is in good standing. So that's pretty much how that works. So with me in the beginning, like I never made money off of YouTube, to be honest with you. Like way back in the days when I started YouTube, I never made money. Like this is my first actual check. I've been wanting to upload this video, but I just never, you know, got a chance to record it. So now I'm recording it for you guys. Anywho, now back to my check. So pretty much, in order for you to get your first check, your Google AdSense account has to reach the $100 threshold. With that being said, so if you have $98 or $99.01 or something like that, or $99.90 or $99.99, YouTube will not pay you until you get that $100 threshold. So usually YouTube pays you every 21st of each month, I believe it is. Now if you have $99.99 in your AdSense account by this month on the 21st, you will not get paid until the next following month on the 21st once you reach the $100 threshold. Now, we got our monetization on. We you know, we got our watch time hours, 1,000 subscribers. Everything is set up for, you know, us to start getting paid and whatnot. So pretty much you gotta be consistent on YouTube. You have to keep on posting videos on YouTube in order for you to start generating an income, pretty much, because you get paid through views, and in those views, if you don't upload videos, duh, you don't get paid. Okay, you don't get views. So keep that in mind if you want to start a YouTube channel and stuff like that. Make sure that you are consistent with it. Don't be like me and upload whenever or however. So yeah, if you want to be a successful YouTuber, then you gotta be consistent with your work. Which leads me to how much I got paid. Don't you guys want to know, huh? Anyways, so it took me, you guys, it took me forever to get that to get that $100 to get the $100 threshold into my account, to my Google AdSense account. Like, it took me years. I'm telling you guys, years. Since I uploaded my first YouTube video. So as I remember, the way I got to like monetize my videos again, because at the time when they sent out the new, you know, the new the new rules for monetization. Hold on, my battery's about to die. Let me change it real quick. So yeah, as I was saying, so by the time I was able to like monetize my videos again, at the time I only had like 400 or something, or 300 and something subscribers, and my watch hours weren't that much either. So towards, like, I believe is after I quit TSA is when I started being consistent on my channel, like quite a lot. So it was like about like the month of March is when I like really actively were on my YouTube game. So pretty much before I went to Kenya, I started uploading a whole bunch of videos, and then also after I came back from Kenya, I kept on uploading videos. So within a month I gained, I don't know how many subscribers, but it was a lot. But I pretty much, before I went to Kenya, I had boosted up to like 500 subscribers or something like that. And then by the time when I was in Kenya, I reached 1,000 subscribers. And then I also reached at the same time, I also reached 4,000 watch hours. And then my YouTube channel was reviewed by YouTube, and it was in good standing, and that's how come I was able to monetize my videos again, and that's how I was able to, you know, get paid finally after years. But yeah, don't get discouraged. Just, you know, be at it and be consistent within your uploads and your channel and all that good stuff, and, you know, your thumbnails and all that good jazz that YouTube requires you to do. Anyways, so without further ado, without much rambling, this is how much YouTube paid me. So let's see, let me go into my Google AdSense account, because this was pretty much like in June is when I got paid. So let me see my millions out here. Google AdSense. So drum roll. So my first YouTube check was, you guys want to know, like, it was so much money, like I don't even know how to function. My first YouTube paycheck was $108.54. Yeah, girl, get some money. Yeah, girl, get some money. Oh, Lord. Anyways, so yeah, that was my first YouTube check. I mean, like, it is something. Not much, but yeah, it's not much, but at least it's something. I can see that I am making money off of doing something that I love, you know, off of me doing these, creating this content for you guys so that you guys can watch, and also so that I can watch and some of my family members can watch as well, especially back in Kenya. So yeah, I'm just uploading this video for everyone to see, and also so that later on in the future, once I get older and I have my own little kiddos, they can watch and see what their mama was all about in her late 20s, and you know, go on and so forth into her elderly years. Anyway, so that is that. Usually, like, the first paycheck isn't always much. From what I've researched so far, like, the first YouTube paycheck isn't always, you know, you're not gonna make a whole bunch of money out there. But eventually, as you keep on going with the YouTube channel and stuff and such, you will eventually start making more money. So yeah, so that pretty much concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now you guys know how much I made off of YouTube, my first paycheck, and I hope you guys you know, enjoy this video, and I hope it was like informational and you guys learned some things maybe that you guys didn't know before. But yeah, so that pretty much concludes my video. All right, you guys, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell up there to know when I'm going to be uploading a video. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.